Hello student, today I will teach you geography for class 9th, chapter 1, that is India, size and location. Student, let me tell you before teaching this that I am just only covering this only one topic, that is size and location. In next video I will cover other topics also. So here the size means what is the area of India and how bigger our country is, and here location means where is India located in the map of the world. So student, we will understand with the help of some circles. Okay student, let us understand with the help of this circle. You are seeing this circle, this line in the middle passing through the centers, this line is known as equator. Student, this line divides our earth into two equal half, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Student, this line is imaginary line. Why it is imaginary? It is imaginary because scientist has drawn this line to study our earth, and this type of line which is horizontal line is known as latitude. Okay student, do you know we have also two more hemisphere, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. How it is student? See this line on the equator, this is the 0° longitude, which is also known as prime meridian. Student, this prime meridian divides our earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, two more hemisphere. Like this, I told you that we have also northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So in this way we have four hemispheres. Student, to understand the location of any place, we need to know the latitude and longitude. So let us understand what is latitude. You can see this circle. On this circle, you are seeing this type of line running from east to west or west to east. These are known as latitude, and equator is the biggest latitude. Student, you can see on 23.5° north, this is Tropic of Cancer, and this is 23.5° south, this is Tropic of Capricorn. So these are the latitude. Student, but you know this these latitudes are counted from 0°. These latitudes are counted from 0° to 90°. So here from 0° to 90°, there are 90 latitudes, and here from 0 to 90° we have the same 90 latitudes. So total we have 180 latitudes. So this helps to locate any place. Now students, let us understand the longitude. You can see this is the picture of a circle. So you are seeing this line, the central line, which is also known as prime meridian, and this is 0°. Student, this is also known as Greenwich Mean Time. So Greenwich Mean Time, it is a place from where we count the timing, and that is from near London. So such type of type, this vertical line are known as longitude. So this prime meridian 0° divides our earth into two hemisphere, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So student, this GMT helps to count the timing, and from here from 0° to 180° east, this is counted. They are numbered or counted from 0° to 180° in the eastern hemisphere, and from 0° to 180° in the western hemisphere. So total we have 360° longitude. Okay student. Now student, let us move ahead. The latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. This is latitudinal extent, and longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. See student, this degree has been converted into time to study the time for the calculation. See, for example, suppose if our earth moves 1 degree, so it will take 4 minutes. In this way, you know a circle has 360 degree, so 360 degree into 4 will become 1440 minutes. In this way, this 1440 minutes we have divided 1440 minutes to 60 minutes. So 360 into 4 divided by 60 will become 24 hours. That's why student, you know our earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Now let us understand with the location with the help of map also. Now let us see, this is the equator, you know it is located at 0 degree. Now you can see just above it at near equator 8 degree 4 minutes north. This is the latitudinal extent of India to 37 degree 6 minutes north. So this latitudinal extent you will see from 37 degree 6 minutes north to 8 degree 4 minutes north. So this is latitudinal extent. Now let us see the longitudinal extent. You can see this 30 degree 60 degree, just after it see 68 degree 7 minutes east. Just this line is just coming, so this vertical line is, you know, this longitude. So this is the longitudinal extent of India to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Like you can see this line 97 degree 25 minutes east, just after 90 degree, just see here it will be 97 degree, and this line is just coming like this. So these are the location from here to here and from here to here. These are the location of India in the world map. So now student, let us understand what is the size of India. Student, India is the 7th largest country of the world, and there are 6 other bigger country than India like Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and the area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, which is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Okay student, I have homework also. This is the homework student which you have to complete. Thank you.